So, how's it going? We're back here. I told you I was going to re-record some of that stuff that was messed up in the last video. I apologize that that footage, I don't know what's going on with the camera. I'm still figuring things out, so please forgive me. It's probably going to happen again. It's happened to me before. But I'm going to grab a chair and we're going to have a little sit down, and I'm going to talk to you about shop upgrades and things that have happened in the last, I don't know, month, 6 months, give or take. And also going to talk to you about what plans for future and what sort of schedule for videos I want to try and keep on. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, it's a little chilly in here right now, so I'm probably going to make this pretty short. I don't want to turn the heat on because I'm trying to conserve my propane, because I want to do some foraging here in the near future, specifically some railroad spike knives and other novelty items. But shop upgrades, let's start there. First off the bat is if you guys haven't watched the last video and you're watching this one and you're wondering what happened between the video before that and now, long story short is oil field and everything that's happened here in 2020 kind of went, for lack of a better description, tits up in my area. So I changed divisions. I'm doing general construction residential. Doing that, I have more free time, but obviously it's quite the pay cut. So there's going to be limitations here and there on that. On what I can do for projects. There's some really great projects that I want to do down the road. Like I got a flathead V8 that I really want to restore and turn into a trike and take you guys along for the ride, pun intended. But that's going to be an expensive project and I don't have all the tools yet to start on that project. But shop upgrades, as you can tell, we got sheetrock everywhere. I have 32 tube LED lights hooked up and running and functioning, so we got plenty of light. Obviously the walls are all insulated now, but I still need to get some more money to insulate that big old heat loss magnet right there. And not to mention, let me get set back down here. Not to mention getting that insulated will help keep from water condensating on it and then collecting on my floor. It's done that a couple of times on the cooler days, not cold like today, but definitely cooler. Also, I'm hoping to start getting some rebates back from all the money I spent on upgrading this place. And then I'll be able to get at least some sort of makeup heater in here. I'll probably sadly do an electric one, even though I know it's not optimal. I'll get one of those. I'll get that wired in to there, and then it'll probably be hanging underneath here somewhere. I kind of figure that's the best spot for that. We'll get it hung, we'll do that. And then next summer, when it's warmer out there, I'm gonna dig a trench from the house out here. We're gonna bore a hole in this concrete. We're gonna run a gas line, and then I'm gonna get a natural gas heater, so then I will have both of those. So it won't matter what we're doing in the shop in the wintertime, we'll be able to have heat, and we'll actually be able to work in here with some level of comfort. Where I live, it can get cold. And when I mean cold, I mean like -20, sometimes -30 in extreme scenarios. So there's no such thing as having too much heat up here. But yeah, there's that. I'm currently going to try and clean this up as much as I can over the next couple of days. And this next weekend, we will probably do a video with some foraging. So again, I'll have the forge here, which is right behind me. Yep, right there. That's going to be running, so it's going to have a little bit of that background noise. I haven't figured out sound and all that other fun stuff yet, so I'm figuring out how to muffle that and you guys be able to hear me really well. I've heard of a couple of tricks. I might try some of them, but I'll let you know in the video before I do. That way, if the sound's all screwed up, you at least know why it's screwed up the way it is. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and clean this place up. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. I hope you are excited as I am for the future comings. And oh, one last thing, I figure I might as well make this the proper announcement. I'm going to try and also turn not just this YouTube channel thing that I got going on here, but I'm going to try and turn this shop into also a functioning part-time small business. So I'll have extra income, so maybe we can do projects like the flathead trike and be able to do that, progress on that. You guys get to make fun of me in the angry section below and tell me how much I'm screwing up on that sort of stuff. But other than that, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Get your jazz hand routine down there in the angry section and talk to me. I respond. YouTube still contacts me whenever comments go up, so I try to respond to anybody that does make comments. So hope you guys enjoy your Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate, and see you again here shortly. Have a good one.